diversity is what you're looking for, look no further than the Boeing 707. Introduced into the Royal Australian Air Force in 1979, a fleet of 5 707s are flown by No. 33 Squadron based at Richmond, New South Wales. The 707's roles in the RAAF include VIP transport, strategic movement of military personnel and equipment, and air-to-air refuelling of our FA-18 fighter aircraft.
G'day, I'm Wing Commander Glenn Natras, CO of 33 Squadron. This unit flies the Boeing 707 aircraft. We have 3 roles: VIP transport, strategic air transport, and air-to-air refuelling. The squadron first took delivery of the Boeing 707 in 1979. We had 4 aircraft from Qantas, and we have 1 aircraft from Saudi Airways. The 4 Qantas aircraft are currently employed in both strategic air transport and air-to-air refuelling roles.
The Boeing 707 can be configured in various ways, which greatly increases its capabilities. These changes range from a cargo-only payload through to an all-passenger capacity.
As a Boeing 707 loadmaster responsible for all cargo and passengers loaded on board the aircraft. As you can see, we are loading palletised cargo now. We can take up to 13 of these pallets on board the aircraft, as well as 158 passengers. We also can combine both cargo upstairs and passengers, depending on how many pallets we need to carry overseas. Below the aircraft we have 4 holes. In these holes, again, we can carry cargo, animals such as police dogs, guard dogs, pets, and as I said, general cargo and luggage. Also, the loadmaster is responsible for the weight and balance calculations of the aircraft, and during the air-to-air refuelling, we monitor the aircraft down the back and give the captain up front a word picture of what the fighters are doing so he can clear them in and out from the aircraft.
When the 707 is being utilised as a passenger aircraft, either operationally or non-operationally, the RAAF employs flight stewards. Their most significant role is passenger safety, as well as maintaining the general comfort and well-being of passengers and crew.
A flight steward on the Boeing 707 looks after all Australian Defence Force military personnel, right through the Governor-General, Prime Minister and visiting heads of state.
4 707s have been converted for use in the air-to-air refuelling role. With little effect on cargo passenger capability, the 70 tankers are now a vital element in Australia's tactical fighter force.
I'm Warrant Officer Colin Bruce from 33 Squadron. I'm a flight engineer on the Boeing 707. It certainly is a grand old lady of the skies. My duties in flight are to maintain the various systems and monitor limitations in flight for the fuel system, electrical system, hydraulics, pneumatic system, etc. Maintain cabin temperature at a comfortable level, and also to liaise with the maintenance people on return to base regarding any rectifications that may be required.
Despite the fact that it's 1950s technology, the Boeing 707 aircraft is still one of the most versatile and capable aircraft in service today. Powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney engines that develop 18,000 pounds of thrust, the aircraft's capable of cruising at Mach 0.85, which makes it one of the fastest jet transports around. Because of its comfort and speed, it's very popular with our politicians in the VIP role. Because of its capacity to be swapped between passenger and cargo, and with a range of over 4,500 nautical miles, it's also a very capable long-range strategic transport aircraft. And in the air-to-air refuelling role, we can take an entire fighter squadron with all its equipment from Williamtown to Butterworth in one hit and refuel a squadron of fighters on the way.
Cleared at action time 09.